Hello everyone, I am here today starting a new project for my excavator. If you like all my videos I've done so far, then like it, share it, subscribe to it. And don't forget to subscribe, because I got a lot more things coming, a lot more ideas in my head to do. So, but we're be getting some more equipment in and things like that soon. So we'll have more things like that. So today we're going to build a bucket. This one here is pretty small. It does the job, but not good enough for me. So we got these two pieces here. We're going to bend them to this here. Both of these. I don't know if it's going to be actually this big, but we're going to do our best. And put this thing together. And as soon as I get it together, we'll let you see how it is. I got a few more materials to grab, so we will get this done and see how it turns out. I plan on putting the teeth on here as well, but haven't for sure how to do it, so that's going to be played by ear as we do this today. But I'm sure it will all turn out right, so just stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay, just wanted to show y'all what I've done. Like I said, I was going to use this here for the bucket, this here piece, but I couldn't get it bent right. Just wouldn't bend. The holes in it just wouldn't allow it to bend. So went to the boneyard, got me some metal, made it in. This is the scoop part, pretty big. Well, here, let me put a cap on it for you. Probably got the wrong one here. Figure out which one it is. There we go. Now let's see it here. I think this is how it goes. So here we go. Got to weld all this together. Oh, here I am showing you my tools, and I'm not showing you what I'm doing. Imagine that one. But anyway, we'll hang on just a second. Alright, we're going to show you what it looks like. This is how big it is. This is the end. So now we got to weld the end caps on. Finish the brackets on top. So it'll set like this here. Look at you. It'll set like that. We got to put the two end pieces here on top. Oh, the thing fell off, but no problem. Put that on there. And then got to a couple other things. Got to put teeth on it. Got to put the teeth on it. But other than that, we almost done. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We got this bucket all done. Let's see it. It's all painted up. I'm going to show you what this bucket will do. I got a Pepsi can. I never know this till after I built the bucket. Pepsi can will fit right in it. That's how big that bucket is. It's big enough to hold a Pepsi can right there. That's pretty neat. So now we're going to go mount it on the excavator, and we're going to see what will take place. Whether it will dig or whether it's going to fail. We have no clue. So let me go put it on there, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. Got this bucket on this excavator. Never tried it before. Don't know what it's going to do. As you can see, it's pretty daggone huge. I showed you just a while ago how big it really was. Let me turn all the way around here. Just kind of let you see here. There you go. Never used it before. Don't know what it's going to do. So this is just as new to me as it is to you. So hope y'all like it. It's out of the box. I don't know. It's huge. We're about to find out. We either flip this thing over or it's going to pick this dirt up. So we'll give it a shot. I'm going to stretch the arm out here a little bit. Try to get a big bucket here. We're going to see what a big bucket will do. Don't know. This is like 3 times the size I already got, so just have to see what she'll do. This thing will actually work. This will be a monster. There you go, guys. Check it out. Let me move up a little closer for you. Let me get you a zoom in here. Look at that. That is a bucket load. This excavator right here with that big bucket did what I expected it to do. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. This thing is huge. It's so big, I can't even, I'll have to really raise it up to really get it to even move anywhere. But that's exactly what I wanted it to do. I'll give you another shot of it. Hang on just a second. Let me get you more up closer on it, see if I get you a closer shot on it. We'll get another shot of this. It is really big. I never dreamed in my life that it would actually do what it does. And this is a 550. A 550. And she does the trick. Look at that, folks. Once again, it did it again. That is amazing. That is putting strength. And my gears are clicking. We will spin her. We'll just dump it here. Let's go back for another bite, see what we can do. This thing is awesome. Never dreamed that I would actually build something like this out of the box. This is totally awesome. It's putting a lot of strains on my servos. Let's do this. Here we go once again. Let's try, oops, sorry about that. Let's see what she'll do this time. There you go. That is huge. 550 excavator. And yes, I do have lights on my excavator. I got a switch on there and turn them on and off. I do have lights on it. But look at that, folks. Huge. Big bucket. 550 excavator. Out of the box. Hope you enjoyed it. Like it, share it. Share it with all your friends. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.